Make it shake, make it shake, make it shake, make the whole place shake, make it shake, make it shake, make it shake, make the whole place shake.
You see just what we do whenever we come through. Just follow.
Got all in the places, yeah, we be blowing and how we back in the building and I be keeping it going, how we ready, all this money we be blowing up with, we making it back and niggas don't even be knowing, but I gotta go, you see, I gotta how to flow, I hiccup and I get up and I sit up on a pot, I go, mommy, come and get it, and you know you gotta get up on it, and you know I really got it, and you know you really got it. The hop and the skip and the bounce and the break and the whine, and I got the body in my shit, and I'm grinding and going to the wool of them up there, smiling and frowning and wool of them up here, grab them up, close the gear, more fire, know this gear, jump around and dance, I heard, quick, make the whole place shake, make the floor shake, make the roof shake, make the wall shake,
Make the whole place shake,
make the floor shake, make the roof shake, make the wall shake.
shake like I'm a Gideon, I'm a get you Gideon, this piece of radium, matching like a million, fist pump and shake, down like a nervous breakdown, crazy like a West Indian, come straight from the Caribbean.
Everybody come in, all of them. Pick up everything in the yard, man, them. Mash up everything until the dance all end. Pick up every woman, all our friends. See how them a wind up, sprawl and bend. Enough money double, all the way I spend. Every kind of liquor, mix and blend. Back in the building, doing it again.
You see just what we do whenever we come through. Just follow. Your hands in the air, spread your feet everywhere, and follow.
You follow, believe, 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 you follow.
Make the floor shake, follow. Make the roof shake, follow. Make the wall shake, follow.
Make the whole place shake,
Make the floor shake, follow. Make the roof shake, follow. Make the wall shake, shake. Jump, 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 jump. Wake your butt, baby. Wake your butt, Jamaica. Wake your butt, Trinidad. Wake your butt, Barbados. Wake your butt, Guyana. Wake your butt, it's the wrong way. Wake, your butt.
you follow, believe, 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 you follow.
Make the floor shake, make the roof shake, make the wall shake,
Make the whole place shake,
make the floor shake, make the roof shake, make the wall shake,
make the whole place shake,
make the floor shake, make the roof shake, make the wall shake,
make the whole place shake.
make the floor shake, make the roof shake, make the wall shake.
This dance is Make It Shake, choreographed by Fred Whitehouse and Darren Bailey. It's a 64 count, 4-wall phrased line dance. Part A is 32 counts. Part B is 32 counts, and there's an 8 count tag. So let's start with Part A, section 1, starting with the right foot. Side rock, recover, and side rock, recover, and forward rock, recover. Hop back twice on right foot. Hop, hop. Section 2. Step left diagonally back, so you're facing 10:30. Hitch right knee, point aside, hitch right knee, step right forward towards 12 o'clock. Lock left behind, sweep right around, behind, rock back, popping left knee, recover on left. Section 3. On right diagonal towards 1:30, Dorothy step, step, lock, step, step left towards left diagonal, 10:30, chest pop, cross heel grind, turning a quarter right, heel grind, step back on left, now facing 3, together, kick, left forward, kick, right forward. Last section. Hop on left, swinging right leg back. Hop on left, swinging right leg forward. Jump, landing with both feet apart. Hop on right, swinging left leg across. Jump, landing with both feet apart. Jump, landing on both feet with right crossed over left. Jump half to the left, jump half to the left. I'm now facing 3 o'clock. this is the end of A. I need the weight on my left because this will be followed by either an A or a B, and in each case my right foot moves first. You'll see that the A has turned me a quarter to the right. So that's A. Let's do the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B. When you're doing part B, you'll hear them singing, make the room shake, make everything shake. Section 1 of part B. Step right to side and bump hips for 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, hitch left on 4. Step down on left and shake everything. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2 of B. Step diagonally back on right, hitching left, clap. Step diagonally back on left, hitching right, clap. Make a quarter turn right, side together. Sections 3 and 4 of part B are the same as sections 1 and 2, so I'll do those with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you see that B turns us a half turn to the right. There is a tag. It happens after a B. Now the music on the B is the make it shake music, and then it changes completely and they're singing jump, jump, jump. It happens when you're facing 3 o'clock and it's an 8 count tag. Step right aside, raise one hand and rock body back, forward, back. Make a quarter turn right, stepping left to side, raise both hands and rock body back, forward, back. Make a quarter turn right, stepping right to side, raise one hand, rock body back, forward, back. Make a quarter turn right, stepping left to side, raise both hands, rocking body back, forward, back. So you'll see the tag has turned us 3 quarters to the right from 3 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Now let me show you the tag with counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And on the demo, I restarted after the tag facing 12 o'clock. However, this is an old dance and it's evolved. And in some places where you dance, they won't actually do the tag. And what will happen is they'll stop because the music changes on the 3 o'clock wall, and then they will do all kinds of things, not the tag. They'll do all kinds of gymnastic maneuvers like handstands and push-ups. I chose not to do them. I chose to do what the step sheet says. But when they do that, then nobody's doing the tag because they're all looking at what's going on. And so then the dance is going to restart from the 3 o'clock wall. Now I'm going to go through the sequence of the dance. When I did it, I started after the tag on the 12 o'clock wall and I ended facing 6 o'clock. Now, if you don't do the tag, if you just hang out on this wall for the 8 counts, then you'll end the dance on this wall, on the 9 o'clock wall. It doesn't matter, you just go with the flow. So now let me go over the dance sequence so you can see where you'll be, which wall you'll be on at each phase of it. So we start at 12 o'clock with A, B, A, 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 B, tag, A, B, B. So if you do it with the tag, as in the step sheet, you'll end up facing 6 o'clock, and that's the whole dance.